Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, in this video, we will learn some important sample space and we will solve examples of practice set 5.2 from the chapter probability. What is sample space? The sets of all possible outcome in a random experiment is called as sample space. Sample space is denoted by a capital letter S or omega, a Greek letter omega. Each element of a sample space is called as sample point. The number of elements in the sample space is denoted by ns. Denoted by ns. If number of element in sample space, that is ns, is finite, then the sample space is said to be finite sample space. Now we learn some important finite sample space. So first is one coin is tossed. If a coin is tossed, there are two possibilities, either head or tail. So we get two outcomes, head or tail. So when coin is tossed, we get sample space as either head or tail. So the elements, there are two elements in the sample space. So number of element in sample space, that is ns, is equal to two outcomes. Now if two coins are tossed, then you get head on the two coins, both the coins there will be head, that is first option. Second option is both the coins there will be tail. Then on first coin head, second coin tail, and first coin head, tail, and second coin it will be head. So in all four options we get. So four outcomes are there when two coins are tossed. So the technique of writing this outcomes, like on first two coin HH, then there are four outcomes, 2 times H, 2 times T, then HT on second coin, HT. This is the way technique you can write the outcomes, four outcomes. So S is equal to both the coins HH, first coin head, second coin tail, tail head, and fourth outcome is both the coins there will be tail tail. So number of outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here when three coins are tossed, then the total outcome, that is there are two outcomes, head or tail. So three coins, 2 raised to 3. So total outcomes are 2 cube, that is 8. So we get 8 outcomes. So the technique of writing these 8 outcomes are, here 3 coins are tossed. On first coin, write first 4 times H and 4 times T, total 8 outcomes. So half 4 times H, 4 times T. Then on second coin, 2 times H, 2 times T, 2 times H, and 2 times TT, tail tail. Then on third coin, 1 time H, 1 time T, head tail, head tail, head tail, and head tail. So this will be 8 outcomes when 3 coins are tossed. So write this all outcomes, that is H H H, first outcome, then second H H T, then H T H, then H T T, then T H H, T H T, T T H, and T T T. In this way there will be 8 outcomes when 3 coins are tossed. So number of element in sample space S is 8. Now fourth sample space, if a die is thrown. If a die is thrown, then here this is the die which is having 6 sides. So there are 6 outcomes, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and total 6 outcome. So when die is thrown, there are 6 outcomes. So S is equal to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So NS is equal to 6. Now fifth one, if 2 dice are thrown. If 2 dice are thrown, then there are in all 36 outcomes. Like on first die 1, on second die 1. So both the outcomes will be same. First die will fix the outcome, that is 1, and second die 2. Then first die 1, second die 3. First die 1, second die 4. First die 1 and second die 5. And first die fix 1 and second die 6. Then the next step, on first die will fix, outcome will be 2. Then on second die 1, first die that is 2 and second die 2, 2, 2. Then 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6. In this manner, in all there will be 36 outcomes when 2 dice are thrown. So S will be on first die 1, 1, first die fix 1, second die 1. So 1, 2, then 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then on first die we change the outcome, that is 2, we'll fix 2. On second die 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6. In the same manner, on first die now we'll fix 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, 6. On next 4, 1, 4 will fix on the first die, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. See that the outcomes only get repeated. So in the sample space. So next 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5 and 5, 6. And last, that is 6 on the first die, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3. You can see here there is no repetition of outcomes. Outcomes are totally different. So when 2 dice are thrown, in all we get total 36 outcomes. So NS is equal to 36. Number of samples points when 2 dice are thrown, there are 36 outcomes. Next sample space, a card is drawn from well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. So total number of cards, there are 52 playing cards. In that 52 playing cards, there are 26, half the number of red cards and half the number, that is 26, are black cards. Now these 26 red cards are divided into 2 suits and black cards are divided into 2 suits, that is in all 4 suits, that is 13 red cards of heart, 13 red cards of diamond, 13 black cards, those are club cards, and 13 are black color spade card. So 4 suits are there: heart, diamond, club, and spade cards, each having 13 cards. Now, out of this 13, the first card is a egg card of each suit. So, in all, there are 4 egg cards. So, egg cards are 4. There are 4 egg cards. Then, starting from the second number till 10, in all 2 to 10, that is 9. Those are the number cards of each suit. So 9, 9, 9, total 36 number cards. Then the face cards, that is king, queen, and jack. So of each suit there are 3 cards. So red color, in all there are 6 face cards. How many? 6 face cards of red color. Similarly, 6 face cards of black color. So in all there are 12 face cards. There are 12 face cards. So practice set 5.2. First one. Question number 1. For each of the following experiment, write the sample space and number of sample points. First is 1 point and 1 die is thrown simultaneously. Now 1 coin and 1 die is thrown simultaneously. So coin we have 2 outcomes, that is either head or tail. So, and for the dice we have 6 outcomes, that is 1 to 6 number. So first we will fix the coin, the outcome of the coin, that is head, and head 1, then head 2, head 3, and so on, head 6. So total 6 outcomes with the head. Similarly, then tail, the second outcome of the coin, and tail 1, tail 2, and so on, tail 6, total 6 of outcomes. So we write the sample space as S is equal to, so we will fix the head outcome of the coin, head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, and head 6. Then on head coin, tail 1, tail 2, see that there won't be any repetition of the outcome. So here there is no repetition. So in all we get total 12 outcomes. So number of sample points, when 1 coin and 1 die is thrown, we get NS is equal to 12. क्या हुआ मैडम? Second example, 2 digits number are formed using the digit 2, 3, 5 without repeating the digits. Now, how to form the sample space using these 3 digits? We have to form the 2 digit number without repetition. So, first pair 2 will go with 2, 3 and 2, 5. So, S is equal to, so first pair 2, 3, 2, 5. Then 3 will go with 2 and 5, that is 2, 3, 3, 2. 3 will go with 3, 2, 3, 5. Now see that there won't be any repetition. Now 5 at tens place. 5 will go with 3, 5, 3 and 5, 2. That is 5, 2, 5, 2 and 5, 3. So in this sample space there is no repetition. Without repetition, so number of sample points in sample space ns is equal to 6. Question number 2. The arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disk. Find out which color it may stop. So there are red, orange, yellow, blue, green and purple color. So this arrow which is rotated, it will stop at which color? We have to find the sample space. So in all there are 6 color. So arrow may stop at any one of the color. So the sample space can be written as, so the sample space will be the colors red, orange, yellow, blue, green and purple. So total number of sample points in the sample space is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the month of March 2019, find the days on which date is the multiple of 5. So in the given page of the calendar, that is March 2019, so on which day there is the multiple of 5 are there. So multiple of 5, dates of multiple of 5 in this calendar are, if it's here, that is multiple of 5 is 5 ones are 5, then 5 twos are 10, then 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25 and 5 fives are 5 six are 30. The multiple of 5 in the month of March 2019, the days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So sample space for the third example is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So total number of sample points are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Last example, from a road safety committee of from two boys and 2 girls, that is B1, B2 and G1, G2, complete the activity and write the space. So committee of 2 boys is B1 and B2, 2 boys are there, B1 and B2. Committee of 2 girls is G1 and G2. Now in committee there is 1 boy and 1 girl. So the first boy and first girl in the first committee, then the first boy and second girl G2, then second boy and first girl and second boy B2 and second girl G2. So like this 4 pairs you get, in which in committee there is 1 boy and 1 girl. So write the sample space. So in sample space all these committees will come. So first is B1, B2, then G1 and G2, G1, G2, then B1, G1, then B1, G2, B2, G1 and B2, G2. So there will be in all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 committees in the sample space.